Hi, this is my CS50X final project details. The title is Squirrelfish Apparels, and the EDX profile name is Darwin369. GitHub username Squirrelfish, it's 4 zeros. City and country Singapore, Singapore. Day of recording this video is 30 September 2025. So I made a web page using GitHub, and the codes are here. This is index. It is similar to the assignment of week 8 homepage. It showcases the different apparel that my shop plans to sell. So if you click this, it will bring you to the details of our origin.